On a Sunday, I don't get a break. It's my day off. Y'all see this. Icon Tools. Pittsburgh, we got some stuff. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to see how good these sockets are. I have an ADV socket in the house. But I didn't bring no tools home with me. Equinox started misfiring. If you want to check out that video, somewhere right there. Went to Harbor Freight. They almost closed on me. But we're going to check this out. All right. So before we do that, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification bells on. Join the FM fam. And let's get to it. I need to go to sockets. I need some torque bits. Is it these ones? SAE metric right here. Okay. Oh no, Torx, yeah. Oh, they got a lock on it. That's not cool. I need a 3/8 right here, 92. Yeah, comfort grip. Or should we go Pittsburgh? Let's see, how does that feel? What do y'all think? So I'm gonna take this one. And then I'll take the flex head. Oh, it didn't have a lock on it?
I'll leave it up in the front.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see what we got. We got this right here. So I'm gonna need the T30, which is 3/8, right? This I'm gonna be taking to work because I could definitely use this. Icon Flex Head 92. I got a Duralast one, but it's a 72 tooth, I think. I've had it for like 12 years, 13 years.
I won't that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top.
Burn like a deceiver. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
So first I'm gonna start off with the sockets, torque sockets. This is gonna be so difficult. Y'all see, using a DeWalt, and the DeWalt's not working. So let's use the Mac for the win. Oh, wrong way. All right, use my stomach to hold it down. Got it there. Now, come on. Are those the only screws? How in the world? There we go. Got it. So, oh, I should keep that case. I should keep this, right? I actually like how they cased it up like that. So I'm gonna set that aside. So we have, now look at these. Those are some weird, I thought they were triangles at first, but I'm pretty sure these Torx will work. We need a T30, right? T30 right there. Good. All right, so we got that under control. Now for this right here, appears we do it from the bottom. Cut that. Oh, I actually cut the box. Didn't mean to cut the box. Cut the box again. Didn't mean to cut it. There we go. I'm out here spending money that I shouldn't have spent. Man. But things happen. Life happens. Hold up. Okay. Got it. Come on. Come on. So hard one-handed. There we go. Pull that sleeve off. Come on now, Big Fluff. Use that. No. Come on. Oh, this is a bad unboxing. Horrible unboxing. You know what? Forget all this. Finally got me a Snap-on knockoff tool. What is this? No way. Is this a sheath? Or is this a cloth? Oh my god, to clean it? Okay, whatever. So here we have. Feels nice. Feels nice. Yeah, feels nice. Okay, so what are we gonna do with this? Got rid of it. So here we have the case. Put that back in the case. I don't want nothing to happen to it, get scratched or whatnot. So we're gonna put that aside. Put this up here. Whatever. And we got 5/8, 9/16, and 13/16. No, it's not 13/16, but I don't have one. And my 5/8 is at the shop. My 9/16 is at the shop. And then since I know the spark plug tube's down there, I got extensions. They didn't have no damn extensions that would work, so I got the wobbles. I know, but I'm working with what I can, cheapest I can. Man, it cost me money. So let me see. Taking a look at these right here. These feel kind of, they're light. I don't know how well they'll hold up to impacting. The T40. I don't know. But these are going to be for the house. I'm not taking those to work. But I will be taking that one to work because I need a 90 tooth at work. Now let me show y'all the ADV. Okay, so here I have an ADV socket. It's not black like those, but yeah, it's ADV, right? ADV right there at T30. Now the reason I did that was because the reason I bought that is because I don't know what else I need under there. Because usually those are 10 mils, and I was like, fuck, man. But if y'all want to see that toolbox, there's a toolbox tour up in the corner as well. And y'all see I got Mac tools at home. There's a reason why this one's at home, not at the shop. Along with the drill, got 2 drills, whatever. But like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, if y'all want to like, comment, share, subscribe. If y'all want to check out the video to this one, and like I said, it's linked somewhere. I need to get this one apart. So like, comment, share, subscribe, join the FM fam down below if you want. Check a couple of these videos out. Check that video out right there. We out of here. Deuce.
It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I know.